So hey, what is up guys, this is Noon here and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss top 5 skills for freelancing. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. But wait, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you can get notified for my upcoming amazing videos. And guys, I just came to know most of you didn't subscribe to my channel, so do subscribe my channel. It literally take about 5 to 10 seconds to subscribe my channel, and it is absolutely free, so please do it. So let's dive into the video. So the first skill that I will recommend you in 2021 for freelancing, that is digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? I will try to explain you in simple words. In marketing, a person try to sell a product. So what he try to do some advertisement on boarding, or try to paste some poster on the wall so that people get notified that this product is available in the market and they can go and buy now, or they can use that product. Digital marketing is also same, but in digital marketing we use different platform like Google, Facebook, Instagram, these type of resources to promote our product, so that we can engage more and more audience to our product, and which will be most beneficial for the company that is selling that product or services. So I will recommend you to learn this digital marketing skill, and this skill is never going to end because more and more companies are coming now online, and now they want a person who can manage this digital marketing thing. So the requirement for the digital marketer is rising day by day. So I will definitely recommend you to develop this digital marketing skill. So moving towards our next skill, that is video editing. Now why video editing? Because as I explained in the previous skill, that companies are now coming online and they want a digital marketer to promote their product. So to promote a product, we need a kind of advertisement, and advertisement can be in the form of video or in a template. But now I will concentrate on the video part. I will later on move into the poster part, but for now it will be a video part. So to create those ads, company gave you a raw footage of where they are capturing different shots of the product, and you have to edit in this way that in the first 5 or 10 seconds the customer get attracted, so that the company can get more exposure from that product. So this is all about the video editing thing. So the next skill is animation. So guys, as you have seen, when you go on the YouTube and try to learn something like an programming algorithm or data structure, you can see there are a lot of animation over there, and to create those animation, creator hire the animator so that they can create an awesome content with the help of animations. And one disclaimer, maybe you are not able to get enough money from this video animation thing in the India, but the demand for video animation in foreign countries like UK, US, Britain, Russia is booming day by day. So try to get more foreign agents rather than Indian agents, so that you can make more and more money. So the next skill, that is graphic design and Photoshop. I know these are two different things, but we are going to assume these two skills as one. I will tell you why. So why I am recommend you to learn Photoshop skills and graphic design. As I've said earlier, company hires digital marketer to promote their product, and to promote their product you need an advertisement, and advertisement can be in the form of poster and video. I have discussed the video section previously, so now moving towards the poster part. So in the poster parts, you have to create a poster or an advertisement template from scratch. And for creating an advertisement poster, you need to know some graphic design skill and some photo editing skill or Photoshop skill, so that you can combine those both skill and make a beautiful advertisement from that. And did you know that if you create an amazing template or poster for an advertisement, that poster can be worth of between $500 to $1,000? Yes, you heard it right. This much money you can earn from a single poster. So you can have a very brilliant future if you go into the Photoshop and graphic design part. So I'll definitely recommend you to learn these skills. And to learn this skill, there are many platforms available over there, like Coursera, Udemy, or YouTube too. There are awesome content on the YouTube too, which is available for absolutely free. And did you know that you can get free courses from Udemy and Coursera? If you don't know that, please check out my previous video. It will be popping right now. So moving towards our next skill, that is web development. Now there are two sections in the web development, front end part and the back end part. The requirement from both of the field, like front end and back end, is equally proportional. It is not like that there are 70% of recruiters search for the front end and the leftover 30% of recruiters search for an back-end developer. The requirement ratio is 50-50 for both front-end and back-end. But I will recommend you to become a full stack developer because the value of full stack developer is pretty high. You can easily ask for 1 to 2 lakh rupees for creating a website from scratch by your own, and this can take a couple of months, like 2 to 3 months, but it is not bad. In 2 to 3 months you are earning 2 lakh rupees, that is approximately 65,000 rupees per a month, and for a beginner that is pretty good. And the demand for web development is never gonna decrease because new companies are stepping into a field and they want their product to be sold at online too, so they hire web developer in large masses too. So you can definitely go in the web development area. And if you want to learn this skill, there are pretty much good courses available on the YouTube, but for that you have to first learn a language like Python, Java, JavaScript, or C Sharp. From these 4 languages you can learn any of one, and then you can start your journey in the web development area. Generally learning a language takes 2 to 3 months if you are learning properly. If you are just going through the videos, it will mostly take 1 month to complete the whole language. But I will not recommend you that way. I will recommend you to take time and learn this skill, because in the long time it will definitely pay you back. So that is it for today guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please make sure to like that button so that the YouTube algorithm will push this content to more and more audience, and let's aim for 10 likes for this video. I hope you will complete this target in no time. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel so that you can get notified for my upcoming latest video. And it take only 5 to 10 seconds to subscribe a channel, and it is absolutely free. So I will definitely recommend to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.